How to pause Lyft Pink subscription. If you have been using the Lyft application and you have recently simply subscribed to the Pink plan of Lyft and now wondering on how to pause it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Lyft application. Just like this. After that, tap on to U button at the bottom. Select it. Then here you can find the Lyft Pink right here. Tap on it, and if you have subscribed to it, you will see the manage plan option. Tap on it. For now, you can see I haven't subscribed, so it is showing just like this. And after tapping on to manage plan, choose the option to pause your membership. Select a resume date, so it is only valid up to 28 days in the future. And that's it. This is how you can pause the membership of the Pink on the Lyft. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.